morning. We are from Lyceum of the Philippines, Intramuros, Manila. And today we are going to make our project in life, which is recycling materials. And as you can see, I'm with my group today. Raymond Tan, Charles Lectura, and Bill Bautista. As you can see, this is the materials that we gathered today. Iron wires, newspaper, and we borrowed some tape, plies, and staplers. We are going to make a recycled trash can which can be used anywhere. As you can see, this is our finished product. The recycled trash can, you can show here anything you want. Like this tape, you can show it there. As you can see what Charles is doing. Okay, that's for our report today. And remember, we are from Lyceum of the Philippines, Intramuros, Manila.